What's good, Grizzly Gang? It's your boy Grizzly, back with another daggone video. So today, y'all, what are we gonna be doing today is I'm gonna be putting on a mod. Well, I'm not gonna be putting on the mod. Somebody else is gonna be putting on this mod. Hold on, too bright. But I just have more bad news. All right, this is bad news because, all right, y'all see this on the ground? They have heavily salted the ground. It's because we're about to have, oh my God, a bird, oh my, I turned around and seen it. Dude, what type of bird was that? A pterodactyl scattered on my car. God, that ain't huge, bro. A big old pterodactyl bird flying around this joint, bro. All right, let me get back to my video. So it's about to snow. It's 100% chance that it will snow. That's what it said on the app. And I feel like we're gonna get some. It's actually kind of warm today. I think it's 40 degrees. It feels warmer from every day. It's been like 28 to 30 degrees. So that's extremely cold. So of course, when it goes 40 degrees, it feels a lot warmer, even though it is still cold. About to go ship out a few more orders of the stickers. I have one more of red, one more of blue, 3 of orange, 3 of yellow, and all of the green. So if anybody want green, man, get green. Maybe green wasn't the most popular color, but that's just something I'm about to do. So let me go ahead and get ready and put all this stuff in there. All right, so like I do on all my channels, got the keys. Go ahead, do a cold start. Oh, I got gas? Hold on. I know I got gas in there. What's wrong? Oh, embarrassing. I don't know what's going on. I did open up my door, but it should do it. Oh snap, embarrassing. I'm sorry, my camera tucked up. I think it's better now, but I'm about to turn this off and I'm gonna get back to y'all in the car. Alright, so Grizzly Gang, this is probably the last day I'm gonna be driving my 300, man. Because it doesn't look like it's gonna snow right now, but let me show you on the app real quick. Alright. Don't mind my phone jacked up. I'm gonna get another one soon. Got other priorities. That's what happens when you become grown. You got other priorities to do before you can get what you want. So it's 100% chance it's gonna rain Thursday, which is tomorrow, and 50% chance on Friday. I have a crazy video I'm supposed to do on Saturday, and hopefully the snow doesn't mess with the road's too bad. Hopefully it gets up warm and it just like pretty much melts away all the snow and ice, but we'll make it work no matter what. We're gonna have to make it do what it do. But today what I'm gonna be doing is, if y'all saw in the sneak peek, y'all saw what I had. So I had these 4.5-inch tips. What these are black chrome tips for my 300. So what it is gonna make my car a lot louder. So I don't know what I have. I had the 3.5 tips or whatever. I don't even think they forced. I could put my fist in this joint. I don't know. I pause, y'all, but you know, that one is smaller. I can't even, like, you know, I don't even say nothing because I probably got perverted people here watching this J, man, so it's hard to like describe what's going on. But if y'all get what I mean, these pipes are bigger And then the pipes that I mean, not the pipes. Well, the tips are bigger than the tips that I got on right now, which I got from, you know, the shop. That's what they had, and that's the biggest size that they had. So I just went ahead and went with it because I was ready to get it done. So these are a lot bigger. I'll put the link of where I got them all. I think I got them SP or whatever it's called. But these are like a black chrome. If y'all check them out, I want y'all to look at them real quick. These things are, well, this one is beautiful. The other one is still wrapped up. So, hold on, I gotta dry. All right, like I was saying, these are black chrome. They have a nice shine to them. You know, when you polish them up, they're gonna look really good. So this is gonna make my car a little bit louder. It's not really loud right now. I got somebody behind me, so they're gonna have to just wait for 1 second. But as you see, and my car's like, all right, that's how it sounds with the record. It's like, I'm goofy, don't mind me. All right, it's gonna be a lot louder. So I got, about to mail out a few more stickers right now. Shout out to the Grizzly gang that got those stickers. He just can't let me go, can he? Look at him, backing up. He could have waited for 1 second. Yeah, I got you recorded, looking stupid. Big lick bandit looking. Let me fry that boy up, man. Don't play with me. When it comes to Black Beauty and my family, first of all, my family, and then my cars, I don't play around with that, man. I don't. And the things that's mine, I don't play around with stuff like that, man. Cause I'm not gonna mess with nobody else's things. I'm gonna leave it. Just like if it was my car, I would respect your stuff. Respect my stuff too. But you can kind of tell people how they are by their cars. I'm gonna say that. Not about everybody's car, because some people have a commuter car, some people and stuff like that. But their car that they drive, you can tell they're messy, you can tell they're neat, you can tell if they're clean. Not all the time the outside is gonna be clean, but the inside of your car really counts. I clean my car all the time. Yeah, I have stuff here and there. That's just like everybody, because I work out of this car too. Just like your house. If your house dirty, y'all need to keep a clean house, man. All right. Use that Lysol bleach and all that good stuff, man. So now I'm about to head to the daggone welding shop to get these things welded on. Do I got my mask? I got my mask. Okay, I got my mask. So I'm ready to go. Like I said, this is gonna be my last drive because it is gonna snow. Hey man, shout out to everybody that subscribed to the channel, man. I appreciate every single one of you guys, man. We about to make it up to 3,000 subs soon, man. That's family. That's not even subs. That's family right there. That's Grizzly gang right there. That's 300 gang right there, man. Hey, what's up to all y'all, man? Shout out to everybody. Hey man, somebody comment. It was funny. I was looking at the comments and somebody was writing to me in Spanish. I gotta translate that, so I gotta go on my phone, go to the little translator, type that in, and translate it into English. Hey, shout out to you, man, that was watching the video. I don't know what you said, but hopefully you said something good, because I'm not fluent in Spanish. Poquito in Spanish, you know? Poquito español. Hey, so we about to head up to the shop. We're gonna have to do a little quick pull, even though it got salt on it. Let's see. Chargers. Y'all want nothing. Hey, you better slow down. I gotta slow down too. I gotta slow down too, y'all. Alright, that's enough excitement. Alright, so I'll see y'all at the rim shops. Like, nah, I'll see y'all at the exhaust shop and get it done, man. Alright. Oh, my fingers hurt. Dude, alright, one more thing. I've been trying to hold the camera like Street Speed 717. I don't know how you do it. My fingers keep cramping up. Bro, I really don't know. Maybe hold it like that. Man, I don't know. I'm gonna just have to use my little thing that I bought from GoPro. So I'm gonna use this. Go ahead, blah blah. All right, that's easy for me. Can't do what you do, man. So you gotta stick to what you know. And what I know, I gotta hold the little tripod. All right, see y'all soon. All right, y'all. So I'm here at the exhaust shop. Of course, y'all already know I'm at the muffler shop, mufflers AP shop. They ain't got nobody down this joint right now, man. So I came in right away. So they about to see how it will be when they install these, to see if it take these joints off. Oh, now they got the copyright me. Alright, y'all. So they about to hook me up, man. They about to install the new, well, they the 4.5 inch tips. They like a chrome type look, like a chrome block. Try to mix it up with everything. I'm gonna do a cold start. I mean, it's not really a cold start, but we're gonna see. Hold on, real quick. Hold on. So he's working now, this Jay. Alright, so that's how it's gonna sound, you know, sound like that. Everything. Y'all know how the car sound. So I'm gonna go ahead, let him get to work, man. Let him do his thing. Yeah, so yeah, it's gonna look like that. So I can't wait, man. It's gonna definitely make it look more staggered, more aggressive. And then I gotta get it lowered real soon, alright? So yeah, stay tuned. Alright, go ahead, man, do your thing. It's all up to you now. Yeah, yep, go ahead. I wonder, should I give away my other chips? I'll probably just keep them for somebody else, whoever want them. I don't know. Up to y'all. So I'll talk to y'all when he almost done. When he get done with the first one or whatever, I'm gonna turn the joint back on and get ready. Hey man, hit that subscribe button, man. I'm coming out with these bangers every single goddamn day for y'all. You feel me? All right, y'all, so I ran into some Grizzly gang, man. So it's funny, it feels weird, like, you know, people come up to me now, it's like, I'm not really no big YouTuber or anything, but I really appreciate y'all. So we got some Grizzly gang right here, man. Hey, shout out sloganfam.cj on Instagram. All right, bet.
J_floater Instagram.
Cool. So in my DM, I can put that in there for y'all too, okay? Because I listen to the video, I'm like, all right, what they say? Because we got the mask on, so we sound muffled. Yeah, man. So how long y'all been watching? What's one of y'all favorite videos? Have y'all seen any videos?
When we first got a straight pipe.
When I first got a straight pipe? Okay.
So good.
Yeah, bro. Yeah, I love it. I think I'll never change it. Like if I do like change anything else, I'll probably get like short tube or long tube headers to change it up just a little bit. But I would never go back to the stock.
Future plans for the CHRYSLER?
Any future plans?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I'm planning on pro charging it. It should be this year, hopefully this year. So I'm keeping my fingers crossed. Trying to get up to like the 500s or something like that. So yeah, we're gonna do it big. I'm gonna try to get it to the racetrack and all that stuff, man. You know, man. So I got big plans for her. She gonna get lowered and all that. All that stuff is coming. So y'all stay tuned. Y'all keep watching the things. I'm gonna always have something. Always, man. I'm working hard for it though. So it's coming out and it's working out good. So I appreciate y'all for subscribing to the channel, man. Y'all got a 300? What y'all got?
I got a Honda Civic.
Okay, that's cool.
I got a TL, Acura TL.
Acura TL, nice, man. That's one of my favorite cars. The Honda Civic. That was my first car I had. I had a 98 Honda Civic. That's what I started with. That was my baby. I crashed it going to sleep, driving to my dad's house. I was so mad.
I recently wrecked I had a 09 Honda Accord.
Okay.
Ice on a roundabout, I wrecked going into a curve.
This roundabout up here?
No, I was in Bowie.
Okay, cause this thing sucked, bro. That's when the person hit my Mazda right there. Just said boop, took off. I was like, man, never again, bro. I hate that joint.
I just got this car maybe a couple weeks ago.
In my DMV, so I can put that in there for y'all too, okay? Because I listen to the video, I'm like, all right, what they say? Because we got the mask on, so we sound muffled. Yeah, man. So how long y'all been watching? What's one of y'all favorite videos? Have y'all seen any videos?
When we first got a straight pipe.
When I first got a straight pipe? Okay.
So good.
Yeah, bro. Yeah, I love it. I think I'll never change it. Like if I do like change anything else, I'll probably get like short tube or long tube headers to change it up just a little bit. But I would never go back to the stock.
Future plans for the CHRYSLER?
Any future plans?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I'm planning on pro charging it. It should be this year, hopefully this year. So I'm keeping my fingers crossed. Trying to get up to like the 500s or something like that. So yeah, we're gonna do it big. I'm gonna try to get it to the racetrack and all that stuff, man. You know, man. So I got big plans for her. She gonna get lowered and all that. All that stuff is coming. So y'all stay tuned. Y'all keep watching the things. I'm gonna always have something. Always, man. I'm working hard for it though. So it's coming out and it's working out good. So I appreciate y'all for subscribing to the channel, man. Y'all got a 300? What y'all got?
I got a Honda Civic.
Okay, that's cool.
I got a TL, Acura TL.
Acura TL, nice, man. That's one of my favorite cars. The Honda Civic. That was my first car I had. I had a 98 Honda Civic. That's what I started with. That was my baby. I crashed it going to sleep, driving to my dad's house. I was so mad.
I recently wrecked I had a 09 Honda Accord.
Okay.
Ice on a roundabout, I wrecked going into a curve.
This roundabout up here?
No, I was in Bowie.
Okay, cause this thing sucked, bro. That's when the person hit my Mazda right there. Just said boop, took off. I was like, man, never again, bro. I hate that joint.
I just got this car maybe a couple weeks ago.
Alright, so I had to walk over here real quick because I got the copyright music. But yeah, this is the exhaust tips. But I got them off SD, and I'm gonna have the link down below. I'm gonna put like 4.5 inch tips and you're gonna see it in the description when I put it down there. So I'm about to get it down there. So I'm about to get this somewhat of a new start. You ready? You gotta turn the music off. You got the music playing over there, Jake? You gotta turn the music off for 1 second. Alright, y'all. Alright, so good. We about to get this thing started. Let's see. See if it's a little difference. Okay. A little deeper, a little deeper. I like it. So you hold this? Can you hold it real quick while I get it real? Alright, I appreciate it. Appreciate it. Alright, so yeah, now I'm about to go inside. I got his face, but look at him, Jay. They did exactly how I wanted to. I wanted to like plush. Like it's all about. Yeah, that's perfect. It's all about fitment. That's how I want it, and they did excellent. I appreciate you, dog. Thank you. Yeah, that sounds good. So now I'm about to go inside, pay him. But look at her, man. Black Beauty just changed and she evolving. I gotta get some bigger tires too for this thing. So I back up or go inside? Go inside first? Let me go inside first. Woo! Shout out to them, man. Y'all already know, man, who the way. Hey, I'm slowing down, but you can't be doing that, bro. Uh-oh. Got too much stuff going on, Grizzly Gang. Hold on. Okay. Alright, so shout out to AP Mufflers, man. Let me show y'all. They want me to give y'all that, man. Y'all see it? Y'all see it? Y'all see it? Look at it, look at it, look at it. Call them, go to them, man. AP Mufflers, man. Also rocking my dudes at Custom Mufflers, so don't forget about them too. I rock with 2 muffler shops, bro. So they do it excellent. They both got amazing prices. This is just closer to me from Custom Mufflers. That's the only reason, you know, why I'm going right here. But I mess with both of them. They both great. They both have great deals. So don't get it misconstrued. But yeah, I love it, bro. I can hear a slight difference. I knew it wasn't going to change like the tone of it, but I knew it would make it like a deeper, because it has like, just think about like a trumpet. You blow a trumpet just without the opening, but when you have the opening and stuff like that, it's just more like what's the word I want to say, it's more elevated. The tone is more elevated, more deeper, or whatever it is. And I can hear, you know, more. I can hear it. This is a growler. I don't know if it's in my mind or what, but it sounds really good, man. Hey, shout out to the Grizzly Gang. That was at AP Mufflers, man. I appreciate y'all, man. Hey, that was real cool. Just chopping up with them, talking about their build of the car, of their car and stuff like that, and just told them what I plan on doing to my car, man. I always love running to my Grizzly Gang and my 300 gang, man. I appreciate all of y'all, man. Y'all the hugest supporters. Thank you for I forgot I gotta turn it on street for the roll pedal and put the seatbelt on too. Get a few pulls for y'all. I do gotta go to the store, so let me get on the highway real quick. I gotta do a little drive for y'all, man. So dude, I love it, bro. It's just changing my car. Like the tips, y'all want to understand, the other tips, they was okay, but I think they were like a little too small. I let them have it because I don't want them. I don't know what I'm gonna do with them joints. Ooh, I don't know what I was gonna do with those, so I had to I just let them have them, do what they want to do with them. If they're gonna resell them or put them somewhere, they can go ahead and do it. But not me. I don't want those little baby tips. That's what it look like. Now I feel more extravagant. I feeling more muscle, man. More Grizzly Marty. All right. So I'll see y'all in the next one, man. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the Grizzly Marty channel, because I'm coming out with these bangers every single goddamn day for y'all. Peace. Let me get one more. Oh, my neck, my back of the neck. Ooh, I wasn't ready for that. It kind of hooked really good. My tires suck too, because they little, but they doing all right. I'll see you on the next one, y'all. Get out of the way.